Bitcoin's bull run of 2017 was legendary. It took the world by storm and it was absolutely parabolic. But right now, Bitcoin is about to do something it hasn't done since that legendary bull run. In today's video, I'm going to share with you exactly what that is, but it comes with a major warning sign that I don't know if you're ready for. Welcome in, everybody. My name is Steve. This is where you're going to come to have more success. If you want more success in crypto, hit that subscribe button, join the movement, go ahead and hit that button right now. Everybody throw a thumbs up on this. Happy Wednesday. We've got a game changer of a video to get to. I can't wait. I want to introduce you to Odin. Odin looks like this, right? As you know, we've got an absolute game changer of a sale, the 61.8% off, but there's limited seats. And I wanted you to hear this success story. This is pretty special. So Odin was an old student, and then he signed up to all of our newly designed courses. And this is what he had to say. Bought the new courses 24 hours ago. Thanks to the hybrid indicator, earned back the money of the courses in less than 24 hours. Round of applause to Odin. That's a legendary story and one that definitely just captured your attention. If you were worried about the cost of the courses, look at what Odin did. Earn back the money in just 24 hours. So if you're an old student and you've been dying to sign up to this indicator, and so far for the months that it's been available, we haven't had the opportunity for you to sign up to only this. But we're taking a select few, so listen up. If you're an old student, write in an email right now and have the subject line be indicator. We're going to take a handful of more to allow that access, or to be able to sign up to the indicator. And it's going to be something incredibly special. It's going to bring a big smile to your face. So write in right now. You can go to cryptocrewuniversity.com, go to the contact, or just write an info at cryptocrewuniversity.com, write an email there. Now, as you know, we've got the 61.8% off. The seats are just filling up so fast. We have limited seats because the sale is so ridiculous, right? That's the reason. Now, I just want to be honest with you. The way I see it, you have three options. If you haven't signed up yet, not only are you being left behind and you're missing out, but I just want to outline the three options the way I see it. Option one, you can continue down the path that you're on now. And you're probably not happy with the path you're on now. You're probably not getting the results you want. You probably have way too much stress because you keep missing out on all these big trades. That's option one. Option two, you can spend the next few years doing a massive amount of research all over the internet, trying to piece together all these fundamental principles of trading and trying to figure it out over these next couple years. Option three, sign up to the courses right now. You're not going to have to spend a whole bunch of years. I'll save you all the years. You're not going to have all the headaches you have now. I'll save you all the headaches. And you'll start seeing instant results with the courses. Those are your three options. It's pretty clear what the option is that you want to take. Limited seats, they're not going to last much longer. These are just flying off the shelf. Everybody is locking in their seat before the prices increase. And that's what you're going to be doing right now. Just go to cryptocrewuniversity.com. Do you see the link right here? cryptocrewuniversity.com. I'll link it down below in the description. I'll link it up here. cryptocrewuniversity.com. You're going to come right here, and more often than not, you're going to sign up for the gold. If you've been in crypto 1 to 5 years, the gold is absolutely perfect. It'll walk you through step by step. The diamond is if you're really new to crypto. If you're really new to crypto, you scoop up the diamond. As soon as you sign up, it's going to take you to this secret launch page. And this is where you get the game changer of an indicator. And you better add this to your cart real fast and go check out before the seats are filled up and there's no more left. Now, jumping into, and by the way, I can't wait. I know you're super excited. I can't wait to welcome you in and see you on the inside. Now we're going to jump into this legendary move. I want to start with the bull run of 2017, and there's a lot to unpack here, and I want to break it down piece by piece so you leave today's video with so much more knowledge, but also there's a major warning that I need to give you. And this is a warning you're probably going to tell all of your friends and family that are in crypto. So listen closely. 2017 bull run, remarkable, legendary, captivated the world into this crypto community, really. Crypto was what really exploded during this run, right? The thing that really captivated everybody is this chart is broken down in a simple way. We have a yellow line at the top, a yellow line at the bottom, and then we have a green line in the middle. This is known as the Bitcoin log growth curves. You can go ahead on TradingView under your indicators and plug this in and change a couple of the settings so it looks like this one. But for our purposes, we have our bottom line, which represents our support during a bear market. We have the top line, which represents resistance during a bull run. You can see resistance way back in November 2013 and resistance back here in June 2011. So it pretty much marks the tops of the market and the bottoms of the market in a very distinct and easy to understand manner. But not only that, we have a median line here. We have the middle line, which is essentially evenly distributed between the top and the bottom. This represents the 50% Fibonacci level. Unfortunately, it's not the 61.8 like our sale, it's the 50%, okay? The 50% acts as our median line, right? When we're below it, the market is relatively bearish overall, and when we're above it, we're incredibly bullish to the point where it's our blow off top, it's our parabolic cycle, it's our super cycle, right? It's the most bullish of the bullish of the bullish, okay? Now, the reason I tell you that is take a look at what happened in 2017. We had a run up to this line, right? We held it as resistance for a couple months, and then we finally pushed through. Once we pushed through, it was a really quick trip to the top. And then we started our dramatic downfall for the next couple of years, running into an extended bear market. I tell you that to show you what we're about to do. Again, this rally of 2017 was legendary, just like the rally of we'll call it 2013. 2013 into the end of 2014, you can see what happened with this median line, right? The median line played a very critical role in all of these. What we're about to do is something we haven't done since this candle in August 2017. If you were in crypto in August in 2017, you remember those days well. It felt unbelievable how fast the market was moving, probably similar to how you feel today. Well, look at the candle we are about to print. This candle would be the first candle since 2017 with the body closing above the median line. We struggled to do it at our 14K top. We struggled to do it last month in January. We struggled to do it in December 2020. We haven't done it since August 2017. This candle closes in 18 days. It's quite likely, the way that the market structure is, that we will close above this $37,000 range. We'll keep a close eye on this $37,000 range because one of two things is going to play out. What I want to share with you is how these markets react once we get above this median line. It goes fast. How fast, you ask? Well, let's go back to the first time we closed above in April 2011. It was only 2 months that we spent above it. 1 month here, the second month was our market top, and then we started our bear market. Fast forward here, this is a different scenario. We're going to come back to that in a second. Once we got above here, we spent 1, 2, 3, 4 months above. So we have a data point with 2 and a data point with 4 with an average of 3. Meaning if we reacted like our first cycle or our third cycle, we have roughly an average of 3 months, meaning that this would be our month above, and then 1, 2, 3 months, we would have, let's see, 1, 2, 3 months. In May, we would have a top in May of 2021 at roughly 100K. That's if we acted like cycle 1 or cycle 3. Well, how about cycle 2? Cycle 2 was a bit different. Cycle 2, we peaked our head above our median line, and then we went into a bear market. But it was a short-term bear market, and then we had our second parabolic top. But even still, even with that short-term bear market, it was still only 6 months until we peaked. That right now seems like our best case scenario if we want a longer term bull market, right? Just looking at the facts and the charts, it seems very likely that we are entering our super cycle, which is our blow off top. And based on the data, it seems very, very probable that this will last a lot shorter than everyone thinks, just based on these facts here. And again, if we're hoping for it to play out like cycle 2, we can hope that we go into a bear market now, which, by the way, I think this dropped like 77%. I don't know if something like that is in the cards. It doesn't seem likely, but again, Bitcoin is used to surprising pretty much everybody. But even if that were to play out, we still only have 6 months. It was 6 months from when we broke above to the market cycle top. So no matter how you cut it, with the data that's in front of us, we are about to enter our super cycle. It will last shorter than everyone expects, and it could be as soon as 3 months from now in May, June, July, where we have a market cycle top somewhere right around 100K or maybe a little bit less, and then we move into our bear market for the next couple of years. That could very well be an option that's playing out. I know it's not a popular choice. It's not a popular thing to say, but this is the cold truth. I told you that in this video, I wanted to share with you why it was the first time since the bull market, but I also had a warning for you, and that was the warning. So I hope you appreciate my honesty. This is where you come for the cold hard facts. We only talk about the facts and the charts, not my emotional opinion. Of course, my emotional opinion, I would love for Bitcoin to go to $250,000. I would love for that to happen, but based on the facts and the charts, that's not likely in 2021. It's also not likely for 2022, just based on this chart. We can look at it from a few other angles. I have several other charts that I want to share with you about the market top and about when it could happen. So hit that subscribe button. If you haven't hit that button right now, because you don't want to miss these kind of videos that really tell it like it is. Not fluffing up the market, not telling you what you want to hear. I tell you the cold, hard facts in the charts, and that's it. That's it, not my emotional opinion. So I'm very curious to see how this plays out. What I want you to watch in the next 18 days is how we close this candle. Again, if we close with the body above, then it's hello super cycle. If we react like market cycle 1 or market cycle 3. If we have something play out like market cycle 2, we would have a very dramatic downfall for a couple months and then a dramatic climb back up for a couple months, and we would have our super cycle top. So very curious to see how this plays out. Also, I wanted to tell you about the Twitters. The Twitters is absolutely on fire. Everybody has been loving the Twitters, especially the name, the Twitters. So go over there to Crypto Crew U. You can see our name right here, Crypto Crew U. You can see it right here. Go over and show some love. Follow on the Twitters. We have a lot of content there that's not here on YouTube. So Crypto Crew U over on the Twitters. Let me know how you think this cycle is going to play out. We are going to keep you up to date. I have many more charts that I want to show you about this cycle top, because we could very well be entering our super cycle, which will catch everybody by surprise. It always lasts shorter than everyone expects. If you were in the market in 2017, you thought the bull market was going to continue, didn't you? Everybody thought that. these super cycles are very short and very powerful, and they don't wait for anybody to catch up. And they always end when everyone thinks we're going a lot higher. That's history tells us that. So be ready, be on the lookout. Again, I want you to be like Odin. Odin went, signed up to the courses in 24 hours. He already paid off the courses by using our incredible hybrid indicator. I want you to be next. Go over to cryptocrewuniversity.com, sign up. Again, if you're an old student and haven't gotten this legendary indicator and you've been wanting to, we're going to take a select few into that indicator and have the ability for you to sign up in a special way that we hadn't had before. So send me an email if that sounds interesting, and we'll take a select few to let them do exactly that. So go scoop up your courses and send me any information. If you have any questions, go follow on the Twitters, and we'll come back with another video tomorrow. I have a lot of information I want to get to you, and I'm doing everything in my power just to provide you a ton of value during this time. It's very emotional. It's a roller coaster. I want to give you facts so that you can stay level-headed and have more success. So peace and love to the fellow underdogs. I can't wait to see you on the next video. Peace and love to the fellow underdogs.